Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of ChrisSVT. So today we have the GT500 sitting dusty, and I'm gonna clean her up today because we might make a really cool video today and I don't want her to look dusty. If today goes as planned, I should be receiving my axlebacks in the mail. I'm not gonna tell you which ones just yet, but I did order some axlebacks for my car. I also ordered something else for the exhaust, but I don't have the tracking number on that since it was shipped from a different company. It's actually not too bad considering that the last time I washed it was Saturday night in Santa Cruz with Alex and Ish. But like I said, I do want it to look tip top for this video. If I do get my exhaust, I will be installing it today. I am in love with how the car came out, man. Look at that. So later on today, hopefully she has the exhaust on. Yo, I just got out the shower. My brother told me my car parts were outside. Yo. CORSA Performance. So these are the axlebacks. The X-pipe is not here yet, so if that doesn't arrive, we'll get these babies on today and we'll get the X-pipe on another day. Alright, I'm gonna take this to Alex's house and we're gonna install it out there. I'm gonna see first if it fits through back here. Alright, cool, it fits.
Hello?
Hey, my mom didn't let me go.
Oh, for real?
Nah, I'm right here behind your car.
Oh, we're getting food for us right now. We're like 10 minutes away. We'll be back soon.
Alright, that's cool. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, guys? Hey, that's what we say every time we see each other, huh? What's up, guys? What's up?
Yeah.
Say what's up, like 30 times. What's up, guys?
I have to give Knuckles
What's
the
up,
viewers.
guys? Oh,
Dude, you ready for your new exhaust?
bro, I am.
Dude,
I think
fit right?
So
it
sick.
should.
Right?
Yeah,
Even though it's made for a Coyote, I mean,
yeah, it should.
still be okay.
It should,
Dude, you gotta hear mine.
bro. I'm excited to.
Oh yeah, it sounds fucking great.
What's up? Oh, your phone's gonna fall. I'm gonna hold your phone for you.
Thanks, man.
What's up, King?
Hey, what's up?
All right, who's gonna do the honors? Ish?
Yeah.
All right, bro. Do the honors for me.
All right.
Oh, I can't look. I can't look.
Ah, it's not in there. Racist. Stop. Sexy.
Bro,
No, let's
compare.
look at the tips.
God damn.
No, actually, should we leave it on until we take it off?
No,
Or just
no,
straight up just take it
yeah,
off?
just take them off because then it won't even fit
Yeah,
the
you're right.
diffuser.
Are they black?
Yeah, they're the black chrome ones.
Dude, those look sick.
Oh, wrong way. Wow.
Uh-oh.
That was a teaser.
Dude,
Yo.
those look really good.
Oh!
Oh!
Those are sick.
Those are the exact same ones I had on the 5.0, man. I missed those. I'm glad I got them.
Corsa's going on the shelf?
Yo.
Okay.
That's crazy. They're probably way lighter than the ones I have as
How
well.
they feel?
I
Well,
mean-
these are supposed to be like no drone, right?
Yeah.
Technically.
Yeah.
Oh, the wine sounds so good.
Yup, clean. Kingston wants to check
Fords
out
like
under
to
the
do
car.
this. Yep.
King, how does it look?
Good, huh?
Left side muffler's almost out. We're just trying to get that last bolt. You want to point at it real quick?
Right there.
Yeah, it's like right on top of the muffler, so we're just finding the right tool to do it. Yeah. Yo, that's way deeper and louder than the ones I had. Yo. I can smell the E85 burning. Nah, I'm playing.
Sounds good.
See some donuts right here?
That was me. Should sound good. I can smell it now.
Alright guys, so I just got off work. It is a day or two after, actually 2 days after I installed my exhaust, and I'm gonna meet up with the guys again later. So I'm gonna make another vlog later on, but I'm gonna finish up today's vlog. I just want to give you an update on how the exhaust is. I still haven't worked on it ever since I came home that day. I only driven the car once after that, and it is rubbing on the valence. The exhaust does get pretty hot, so sooner or later it might start damaging it. Like little by little, but on long drives or stuff like that. But I do want to get it fixed. I might have to get a custom hanger fabricated, because I don't want to mess with the hangers that are on the actual exhaust. But I am willing to make some new ones for the actual car. I will show you guys right now. So the exhaust should be centered. I like the way that it's sticking out and stuff like that. I just don't like the way that it's sitting on this side of the diffuser. So this hanger I don't want to mess with, because this is stuck to the exhaust and I don't want to void the warranty or anything like that. But what I am considering is making a different length hanger up here that's on my car. That way the exhaust sits more to the right. And I feel like it might be a problem just with the CORSA exhausts, because my friend Rush Shift also had this issue with this whole catback system. It wasn't aligning right. He even took it to a exhaust shop and they kind of fixed it, but they still didn't fully fix it because they didn't want to fabricate anything onto the actual exhaust to not void warranty. And so if you see, this one has a little bit of a gap, and if you go over here, this one has a lot of a gap. So what makes me think is that I don't know, they just don't really do their hangers right on the actual exhaust. Because if this was welded all the way over here, if there was no gap right here, it would actually be closer to here, right? But since this is further apart, it's pushing the tips more to the left. This side, I don't know what's the reasoning, because this one there's no gap. So I don't know, I feel like their fitment isn't the greatest. I even tried moving adjusting this clamp and moving it, but it is not working. So again, I'm not really complaining about it. It's just, I guess it's something I'm just gonna have to fabricate. It shouldn't be too expensive. I just gotta find someone that is willing to do it and take the right measurements. Other than that, I'm just waiting on my X pipe to get here, the off-road X pipe. But the X pipe has nothing to do with that, because the over axle pipes, the ones that go from the X pipe to the axle backs, I'm not switching that. So the X pipe shouldn't matter. It shouldn't mess with this even more. But anyways, yeah, stay tuned for when I get that in the mail. I will be installing that, and it'll get 100 times louder. It already sounds way better. The car sounds way better. When I rev it, you don't just hear the engine anymore, you actually hear exhaust. So it sounds perfect. I love it, but I still want some more noise. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.